In 4 months, I took my jawline from non-existent to now having the same traits as models. I got this transformation after 18 years old, no surgery, and definitely not doing some stupid shit like foam pulling. I simply just did 3 steps that you can do naturally, even if you're under or over 18 years old. In this video, I will walk you through what these 3 steps are, so you will be able to get the best looking jawline, no matter the angle that you try to take a photo from, so you won't be caught lagging like I did on this photo. So there's this really popular trend going on social media right now, with everyone showing their transformations, that if you just lose weight and do more cardio, you will literally get the best face of your life, like the best looking jawline. It will be sharper than a knife, all these different things. But the truth is, it is honestly bullshit. So if you take a look at this picture, which was me from 5 months ago, roughly around that time, I literally was at like 10-11% body fat, so I was really lean, but I still had skin hanging off here, which basically ruined my jawline from like the side profile. Like I looked so recessed. So the question is, how did I get my jawline from going from looking like this to this in just about 4 to 5 months? And that's what I'm gonna teach you now. So step number 1 is that you need to train your hyoid bone. So there's a quick story that I want to tell you with this. So back in 2023 or 2024, I was going to college, and a specific day that we had up in the school, we got an assignment to do, and all of the boys in the class just put it into ChatGPT, and we quickly got it to do our job for us, and then we delivered the assignment to our teacher, and then we just did kind of our own thing because we didn't have any more homework to do. So what I chose to do was that I chose to watch a table tennis match, and while I watched this table tennis match, I started to be so locked in on this match. Like literally, I was so focused on it that I didn't even realize that my friends who sat beside of me were actually laughing at me. And the thing was, I could kind of hear that somebody was laughing, but I just thought that, you know, it's just the typical bad jokes that they were laughing about. But do you know that feeling that all of a sudden you can kind of tell that people are looking towards you? And that's when I kind of looked up from my computer and I looked to the side over to the boys, and I saw them, like they were dying of laughter. They were looking at me specifically. So I was thinking like, what the fuck are these assholes laughing about now? So I looked at them and I asked, what's so funny? And they took their phone out and they showed me a picture that they took of me while I was so locked in on the match. And I looked like I had a non-existent jawline. Like it looked so bad. From that moment on, I was so embarrassed that I literally went straight home and I tried to figure out why it is that my jawline looks so bad. But there was not really anyone who gave me a clear answer, because everyone just said the same thing as you're probably hearing right now, which is you just need to lose weight. But for some people, we are actually already lean and kind of skinny, but for some reason our jawline isn't really that good either. And that's when I learned that there's 2 reasons for why we have a bad jawline. One of the reasons is that we are overweight, but the second reason is that you can also be skinny, but you have skin hanging off here. And the reason why that we look kind of fat and have skin hanging off here is because we haven't been training something called our hyoid bone. So basically, for you to understand what this hyoid bone does, is basically a muscle that we have right around our throat area here. And when this bone is trained, you will literally kind of, how can you say it? Your skin basically just gets tightened up. That's basically the easy anatomy to understand. You can clearly see the difference from these 2 pictures, and that was me from just 5 months ago. So the way that we can get this transformation is that we want to train it. And the exercise that I would recommend to you, which I have done, which has gotten me these results, are that you want to take a bed. Like you can basically just use a bed, and then you want to hang with your head off the bed, and then you want to do something called a neck curl. When we're doing this neck curl, so the cues that I want you to think about is that when you lie down with your head hanging off, you want to try to do this stretch. So basically you can do this with me right now. Try to tilt your head backwards like this, And then you will probably already feel how much of a burn you feel around your throat area. That is literally your hyoid bone getting worked. So when you get as deep of a stretch as possible, you want to think about now touching your chin to this hole that you have right around here. That should be the cue that you want to think about. Just like if you're training at the gym and you know when you're doing a bench press, you need to think about trying to touch your biceps together to activate the chest. It's the same way. We just want to think about our chin touching this hole right here. And then the second cue is that you think about rolling your neck instead of just lifting your neck like you're doing some rock. But even though I have told you all these cues, it's still kind of complicated to get the form down. So imagine how good of a progress that you could get and how much time you would save if you literally had a coach literally looking at you doing the specific exercise. That is exactly why that I have a program. You can have a look at it at the top link of the description. All the details are there. So now that we have learned how to tighten this skin up so we have a sharper looking jawline from the side profile, we also need to know why it is that our jawline doesn't pop out. Like for some people, they have such a good looking jawline where it's just clear to see that it's so good looking. And the reason for this is because they have been training another muscle in the face, which is called the masseter muscles. So the masseter muscles is the muscles that you have right at the end of your jawline, right here. You can see me activating it here. So here's the action step that I want you to do if you want to get this kind of thicker jawline, which gets you a wider jawline. This is basically where you want to take your hands together, just like if you were going to do a praying session. Then what we want to do is that we take our thumbs and we put them under our jawline or under our chin here. And then what you want to think about now is putting pressure upwards and then resist downwards with your jawline like this. When this is repeated over enough time, you can feel that your masseter muscles, aka your chewing muscles, will get activated. A different thing that you can also do is that you can just chew for longer when you just eat your food. It's a way more simple way to do it, and I prefer that as the main goal to do. But if you're like me and you just want to become the most amount of attractive you can get in the shortest period of time, then I would also do the prayer, just to get the extra results. Other than these two muscles that I have been teaching you about, there's actually 2 more muscles that you can train to look like a model. I call these 4 muscles in total the 4 key facial muscles. Basically, when these muscles are trained, you will literally look like a model. I'm not even joking. Look at these 2 different pictures. This was me at 18 years old before knowing the concept of training these muscles. And now look at me at 19 years old. How much of a difference that I've got. And it was literally just because of these 4 muscles. And that is also what I teach inside of my program. So you remember I told you that I will be reviewing your form. I will literally also make a specific workout plan just for you, because we of course have different proportions in our face. So you will literally save so much time if you get into my program. And I also just teach you exactly what exercises to train, what muscle there is to train, all of these different things. Go have a look at the top link of the description if you want to have a closer look at it. So the last step is actually one of the most important things, because the thing is, if we have trained our jaw muscles and now we have tightened our skin up here, remember what I told you about the hyoid bone? There's 2 reasons for why we have it, right? So that is, the last step is to be lean. I know that I said in the start that, it's not the most important thing, that's kind of bullshit. And it is if you just get lean. But if you don't have the muscles, it will basically be pointless. But of course, you can also turn it the other way around, that if you have the muscles but you aren't lean, they won't pop out anyway. So that is exactly why the last step is to just get leaner. And the goal that I would want you to have is to get to around 8 to 12% body weight. Basically, so you don't have to do all kinds of calculations. It's at that point where either you have a lean 6-pack, so you can basically not kind of pull your skin away. And the second way to see it is that if you start to have very visible veins around your whole entire body, that's when you know that you are in that category. So the action step that I want you to do to get more leaner is that you want to do a quick experiment for a week. So what you want to do is that you want to weigh yourself the exact same time of the day, 7 days um, in a row, so an entire week. Then you see if your weight has gone up, if it has stayed the same, or if it has went downwards. So basically what we want to do is that if you are too overweight, so basically you can't see your abs or you can't see your veins, that's when you know that you need to cut down. So the way that you want to do this is that if you haven't lost any weight, then what you want to do is simply just retracting, subtract, what is it called? Basically, you just take away more food from your diet. So you don't have to go full on, what could you say, professional on this plan. I just want you to eat less. So basically, let's say I eat oats every single morning. I take 10 spoons of oats. Let's say that made me gain more weight. Then from tomorrow off, I do only 8 or 9 spoons, and then you just work your way down to like around 5 to 6 spoons, so you don't feel hungry throughout the day. But basically you just want to progressively deload instead of overloading. And then when you have done this over enough time and you start to realize, oh shit man, I'm actually losing weight, then don't change anything, just keep doing the exact same thing. But remember this, sometimes you will get more to eat. Maybe you are out with your friends, family on a restaurant, and maybe you gain like 2 kilos of this. Don't get discouraged by this and just give up. Just understand that that's the life of everyone. All the influencers you see online, they have the same problem. Sometimes they also gain 2 kilos of weight. It's just how it is. The most important thing is just that you keep your head calm and you keep doing what actually worked for you. That's something that I really like about my program, is that it kind of motivates you, and I'm always there for you to text if you are uncertain if your current plan is working or if it's not working, if you don't know if you have lost weight or haven't lost weight, like you don't know how to see it on your body, you want to build an aesthetic physique as well, not just your face. Again, all of these things I literally teach you inside of my program. Think about how valuable of an investment it will do to just invest $49, which is the price of it right now because it's in pre-sale. I'll literally double the price when I've made the program in a few weeks' time. So it's like, why not just get it now for the lowest price, so you'll be able to get all of the results for that amount of money. Think about how valuable it would be for you to literally look like a model, both with your body and your face. You would give millions of dollars for that. Think about how crazy that is. And I literally teach you that just for $49. Again, it's in the top link of the description. I'm telling you, I will do everything in my power to help you become the most attractive version of yourself. I really want to say a thank you to you because you have been taking your time to actually educate yourself. Think about how many other different things that you could have done. You could have fucking watched some TV series that wouldn't have helped you in any way. But here you are, watching how you can become the most attractive version of yourself. And I am so proud of you for you to do such things. And that is exactly why that I know that this, what could you say, this movement, this YouTube channel will be exactly what you need. So that is exactly why that if you want me to help you to get the most attractive version of yourself, then I will highly recommend you to go down and click subscribe to this channel so you can get all of my advice every second day. That is when I upload, like every 2 days. And watch this video next if you want to keep on improving yourself. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day, bro. Mwah.